In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently upload product details to eBay using a CSV file. This process not only streamlines your listings, but also saves you valuable time, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Now let's dive into the details. First, we start with preparing a CSV file with all your product details, following eBay's specific format. If you're not already familiar with it, eBay provides a standard template that you can download directly from their site. This template includes essential fields such as item title, description, price, quantity, and any other relevant attributes your products may have. Pay careful attention to ensure that each attribute is placed in the correct column and that your data is both complete and accurate. Small mistakes here can lead to upload errors later on, so it's worth taking the time to double check your entries. Don't forget to save your file in the .csv format, as this is critical for compatibility with eBay's system. Once your CSV file is ready and properly formatted, the next step is to log into eBay Seller Hub. Navigate to the homepage and enter your credentials to access your account. If your account setup includes File Exchange or Selling Manager Pro, both of these tools are incredibly helpful for bulk upload purposes. You'll want to head over to that section. Depending on the interface, you'll either find it in the listing menu or through a direct link from the dashboard. If you're not seeing it immediately, a quick search or a look through the help section should point you in the right direction. After accessing File Exchange or Selling Manager Pro, you're ready to upload your CSV file. Most systems will have a straightforward upload button or option for you to add your file. Simply select your prepared CSV file from your computer and begin the upload process. It's important at this stage to review any system-generated messages or alerts that may indicate issues with your file. Sometimes there might be errors flagged during the upload, perhaps due to missing fields or incorrect data types, and addressing these promptly is essential to ensure a smooth publishing process. With errors reviewed and rectified, hopefully there are none or just a few minor ones, it's time to submit your file for processing. Once submitted, your bulk listings will be published according to the parameters you've specified in your CSV file. Congratulations! Your products are now listed and available for potential buyers to view and purchase. Remember, familiarity with these steps comes with practice, so the more you engage in this process, the quicker and more efficient you will become. That wraps up today's guide. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your online sales.